Which phrase best describes the nature of reforms under the Indian Councils Act 1861? The correct answer is B. Moderate administrative and legislative reform. How did the Act of 1861 affect the process of lawmaking at the centre? The correct answer is B. It restored and expanded the legislative role of the Governor-General with additional members. The Indian Councils Act 1861 most directly affected which level of government? The correct answer is B. Central and provincial legislative arrangements. Which of the following statements about the Indian Councils Act 1861 is correct? The correct answer is B. It allowed nominated Indian members to be part of legislative councils. Under the Act, the Governor-General's additional legislative members were required to be. The correct answer is B. Appointed by the central government or Crown. The Indian Councils Act 1861 primarily expanded which of the following? The correct answer is C. Scope for Indian participation in legislative councils. The 1861 Act's nominated non-official members could be best described as. The correct answer is B. Appointed advisors and legislators without electoral mandates. Which government function did the 1861 Act help to reorganize by assigning departments to council members? The correct answer is B. Executive administration and departmental responsibilities. The Indian Councils Act 1861 is often seen as a response to the need for what? The correct answer is B. Reform after the 1857 revolt and reorganization under Crown rule. Which type of representation did the 1861 Act introduce at the legislative level? The correct answer is B. Nominated non-official representation. The additional members added under the Act to the Governor-General's Council were intended mainly for what purpose? The correct answer is B. Legislative work. Who was the central executive authority whose council was reorganized by the 1861 Act? The correct answer is A. The Viceroy or Governor-General. Which of the following was not a feature of the Indian Councils Act 1861? The correct answer is C. Provision for elected national parliament.